Domestic animals. Domestic animals lives along with us. Domestic animals divided into three groups: farm animals, pet animals, working animals. Farm animals. Farm animals used for agriculture. Cow, ox, sheep, goat, hen, cock, fish, shrimp, crab, pig, turkey, pigeon, dove, bee, rabbit, duck. Pet animals. Pet animals are household animals kept for our enjoyment. Dog, puppy, cat, kitten, parrot, rabbit, goldfish, tortoise. Working animals. Working animals works for us. Donkey, horse, camel. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe.